Hello everyone, welcome. So this is a video about how to repair your phone battery charging. Some people think that Nokia 3 or Nokia 5 or Nokia series charge their phone very slow. They need approximately 12 to 7 hours to charge their phones. So this is a solution here. First of all, if you have a smart manager in your phone, just check about the battery. uh, Power savage, ultra power saving mode, and usage, battery usage. This is actual the battery usage. This tells me my system, Android system, consume 30% battery, and standby phone consume only 8%. This is actual the recent battery usage of my phone. Okay, so if you have a problem with your battery charging, first of all you have to check that you are using original charger, or you are using data cable or charger. That must be original phone's charger. So after that you have to clean all. If you have no smart charger in your phone, you can download it from the Google App Store. Okay, after that you have to go to Google Play Store and search for the fast charger created by EcoMobile VN. You have to install it, or you can use any other application which is uh, which is using for the. You can see that an excellent app. This app charge your phone very fast. This app may mobile my mobile very nice. Install it and do not uninstall it. Okay, that night I was playing games for 20 minutes and charge of my phone was 63, and when I woke up in the morning I saw the charge of my phone mobile was 95. It is really amazing. Install it and after a few days its action will start. Okay, according to Majid, its action will start after few days. Not so much a fast charger, Ron saying, as it is an app that shut down some things that can consume battery life. As I type this, my battery has gone from 15 to 33 in 35 minutes, not exactly. And the other one saying it is just it's a very useful game to people like me. I actually have a lack of patience, and yeah, I really appreciate this game. Okay, uh, she is using she considered this app a game, right? And the creator, I just wanna say thanks. Yeah, please rate this app a 5 star. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I'm downloading it. One more thing, you have this is cleaner, AVG cleaner. You can use this one. Expect of smart manager, you can use this. Or okay, first of one more thing, you have to uninstall all unnecessary things from your phone, like unnecessary photos, videos, applications, and all like that stuff. Okay, after that use this application. I hope so most of people are facing this issue will get their solution. Okay, it's 89% of 6.27 MB. I guess my internet is slow. Let's see more reviews. Okay, according to this man, this is very useful app for charging. I use this app and then my phone then my mobile has 40% battery, but when I use fast charging mode, then in 30 minutes it became 100%. So I can give you one helpful message that your mobiles have very fast charger. Then you have to download this app. It is very helpful. Okay, very well app, you should install it. When I plug it in 14%, after 20 minutes it shows 80%. When I unplug, battery was fully boosted and every single percentage was going very slowly. It is really a cool app. You should install it in Android phone to save charge. Okay, so people, this app is really wonderful. Let's see it's work or not. Yeah, I have to say one more thing. Please subscribe to my channel. Please support. I really need it. Optimize, perform clean RAM, turn off the application that are in the background. Okay, I accept it. Okay, I allow this. Okay, it's optimizing and boost reduces 70%. Rate your device is ready for fast charging mode. Okay, great, done. Great. Okay, I guess I have to plug my phone. Okay, remove ads. Let's see what's in the setting. Clean RAM, turn off Wi-Fi, reduce 70% of current screen. Okay, rotate off. Don't run when plug. Ask. Okay. Alright, let's connect to the charger. I'm using its original. So let's see what happened. Well, my phone have really a good battery time. So mostly I don't need to charge it so much. I charge it after 2 to 3 to 4 days. After 3 to 4 days, when it's 100%. When it's 100%, yes. Okay, I connected the charger. Did you guys notice? It reduces my battery so fast. Mostly it's not, but it's reducing my battery so fast. I notice it. I don't know. It's on optimize. Battery is charging. Optimize. Your device is ready to. Okay. So it's on fast charger mode. Okay. What actual the my battery consumption going on these ads? I'm gonna turn off this. Yeah. Yes, I actually making this video for you. I hope this worked for you. Let me close these applications. And let's see the status now. Okay, you must try this application or any other fast charger application. I hope that helps you a lot. If not, you have to change your uh, charging port again. Yeah, I guess it's not supporting to your phone. So see you guys in the next video, and don't forget and share and subscribe. Yeah, I like that video. Okay, take care.